What's up, guys? Back working on the Mustang again. I got a nice box of parts from LMR to finish the front end of my car as far as suspension, steering, sway bar, all that. Control arm rebuild. So I'm gonna work on that today. I probably won't get it all done today, but I get told I talk too much in all my videos, in a lot of comments on my videos, so enjoy this one, and I'll try not to talk too much throughout it. Just work on the car.